Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on the PS5 you want to make primary. Sign into the PSN account that owns your games, make sure the console is online and fully updated, and open settings. Once there, navigate to Users and Accounts, then Console Sharing and Offline Play. This is the first actionable step. You're not toggling anything elsewhere yet. Make sure you're using the correct account. The feature can only be enabled from the account that holds the licenses. Once done, choose Enable to turn on console sharing and offline play on this machine. That immediately allows other users on this console to access your games and PS Plus benefits. If the setting is already active on a different PS5 tied to your account, you must first deactivate it there. If you don't have the old console, sign into your Sony account on a browser and use device management to deactivate consoles, or select Deactivate All. Note this has limits, so plan accordingly before using. Complete the flow by confirming other users on the console can launch purchased games and use subscriptions without signing in. If enabling fails, sign out of PSN on the PS5, reboot and try enabling again. Intermittent server or network issues often cause failures. If you cannot reach the previous console, use the account's Deactivate All on the PlayStation website, then enable here. Make sure system software and network are stable. If problems persist, wait a few hours and retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.